welcome to my channel. This makeup is actually a lot simpler than my other makeups, but obviously that's because I have this huge headpiece that I made on, so I didn't want it to be too overbearing to look at. So I start off by putting on my foundation and just blending it in with a brush. This foundation is actually from Primark. I got it a while back when I did a Primark beauty makeup look. And the concealer that I'm using is by Rimmel. It is their 25-hour breathable concealer. I'll have it linked in the description down below. I blend that in with a Real Technique sponge and then set it with the FENTY translucent powder. I then contour my cheekbones and my jawline with the Rimmel Sculpting palette. Then to bronze up my face and also blend out the contour, I use the Benefit Cosmetic Hoola bronzer. Then as blusher, I use the NARS blusher in Orgasm. Then using my LaRoc Summer Tones palette, I go into that red eyeshadow and put that in the crease. Then I use the Urban Decay liquid lipstick in 714 as an eyeliner. So I get a very small brush and create a winged eyeliner. I then outline them with the Kylie Cosmetics glitter eyes in Hello Gorgeous and a really detailed brush. Going back to that blending brush that I used earlier, I don't apply any more eyeshadow to it, but I just get whatever's left in the brush and kind of contour my nose a little bit with it. I also add a little bit on my bottom lash line as well. I then use a liquid lipstick for my brows so it matches my wig. Then for my lips, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Bite Me. And this is the final look. I hope you like it. The makeup is a lot more simple, like I said, but this headpiece took forever to make. It is loads of popcorn, loads of hot glue gun and a wooden stick in the middle and a lot of hairpins. If you follow me on Instagram, I said a while back that a makeup look gave me a migraine, and this was the one because I had so many clips in my hair and it was so heavy on my head, but I just loved the whole look of it. I loved how it turned out and I was gutted that to take it off I had to completely tear it apart. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and the subscribe button so you do not miss any more of my future makeup looks. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!